2006లో నా ఫస్ట్ ప్రెగ్నెన్సీ కన్ఫర్మ్ అయింది. అయితే నేను ఒక ప్రైవేట్ హాస్పిటల్‌లో చేయడం వల్ల ఆ హాస్పిటల్‌లో చేయించుకుందామని ఎంతో కోరికతో ఉన్నప్పుడు ఆ హాస్పిటల్‌లో నేను అంత ఖర్చు పెట్టలేనని అనుకున్న సమయంలో నేను ఒక గవర్నమెంట్ హాస్పిటల్‌లో నా డెలివరీ చేయించుకోవాల్సి వచ్చింది. కానీ అక్కడ స్టాఫ్ బిహేవియర్ నన్ను చాలా బాధించింది. రెండో ప్రెగ్నెన్సీకి నేను ధైర్యం చేయలేకపోయాను.
For women about to deliver, choices have been few and far between until now. Two innovations are trying to fill this gap. LifeSpring Hospital in Hyderabad and Marigold Health Network in Uttar Pradesh. LifeSpring Hospital is an initiative which allows women like Mallika the option of accessing private healthcare facilities to deliver their babies at a low cost.
From a service delivery perspective, realize that we can make the maximum impact on people who are working poor, who earn a bit of money, right? But they are not covered through some insurance. They cannot go to the much more expensive private hospitals.
LifeSpring is offering core maternal health services. So we do antenatal checkups, intranatal, postnatal and newborn care. In LifeSpring we have two programs. One is outreach work activity, which is mainly focusing on marketing to get the new antenatal women, and second is community nursing program where our nurses they visit to register antenatal women at LifeSpring.
ఇప్పుడు మీకు 9 months కాబట్టి మీకు నెక్స్ట్ ఎప్పుడు డెలివరీ డేట్ ఇచ్చారు డాక్టర్?
Today in that hospital we do nearly 100 to 120 deliveries per month. So there has been lot of credibility among the public. That gave us a lot of confidence to scale up. Today we have 12 hospitals in Hyderabad.
In Uttar Pradesh, another initiative is working to provide low-cost options for private deliveries. This is the Marigold Health Network.
Marigold Health Network is basically an innovative program under public-private partnership initiated by state government and USAID. The kind of services provided by Marigold Health Network around the UP are delivery and neonatal care, ANC, daycare, sterilization, family planning services. Making our own hospital at all the places is a very difficult task. So it was decided we will appoint franchisee. As of now, currently we have 70 Marigold hospital at district level and around 370 Mary Silver clinics at block level and tehsil level, and around 12,000 Mary Tarang workers at community level.
The cost of a normal delivery in both the LifeSpring hospitals and the Marigold Health Networks is a fraction of what it would cost in a private clinic. This is a huge saving for the women belonging to the lower socio-economic bracket.
Most of the costs that we have are fixed in nature. We do not buy land and construct buildings on that. We always go on a leased premises.
We got ISO certification in 2007 and we have defined some around 120 processes in clinical as well as non-clinical departments.
We have a team of gynecologists and we developed 13 protocols mainly for clinical practices at all Marigold hospital level.
Innovative approaches like these are attempting to create infrastructure for maternal health that ease overstretched government resources by joining hands with the growing private sector to improve the quality of care.
It's doing something that is helping decreasing the mortality. Why? Because it's mostly in people of lower socioeconomic status. Where do they go? They go to government hospitals. Are they being looked after well? No. So when they come here, they are being looked after well. They don't have to pay a high price, so they wouldn't hesitate to come here too. So that's what is motivating me to stay here and maybe stay on longer.